Hi brave little artists. Today, we're going to draw a cool dinosaur with a toy blaster. He's on a mission to splash water and save the day. Grab your crayons or markers and let's begin. Let's start with the big head and round eye. Now draw the open mouth with some little teeth. Add a strong body with short arms and legs. Don't forget the tail and the red spikes down the back. Now let's draw the blaster, a long toy with fun shapes. You can add buttons or a water tank too. Our dino looks ready for a playful adventure. Look at your dino. He's ready for a water blasting adventure. Let's color the dino green with an orange belly and red spikes. Make the blaster blue, gray, or any fun color you like. You can even draw water splashing out. Add a jungle, playground, or space scene in the background. Your dino looks amazing and super cool. And now we're done. You just drew a powerful and playful dinosaur. Great work! Can you guess what we'll draw next? Hello little artists. Today, we're going to draw a funny T-Rex on roller skates. He's fast, fun, and ready to roll. Grab your crayons or markers and let's get started. Start with a big head and a smiling mouth with small sharp teeth. Now draw one big eye and a round body. Add the tiny arms and a long tail behind. Next, draw two strong legs wearing roller skates. Don't forget the wheels under each foot. You can even show him leaning forward like he's zooming fast. Our T-Rex is having the best time skating around. Look at your T-Rex. He's ready to roll through the dino park. Let's color the body green and the belly a lighter shade. Make the skates red, blue, or any color you like. Add yellow for the eyes and black for the wheels. You can also draw a path, trees, or other dinos cheering. Your T-Rex looks awesome and full of energy. And now we're done. You just drew a skating T-Rex. Amazing work, artist. Can you guess what we'll draw next? Hello little artists. Today, we're going to draw a super cute chef cat. He loves to cook and make yummy food. Grab your crayons or markers and let's get started. Start with a round head and two big ears. Add two shiny eyes, a little nose, and a happy smile. Now draw the chef hat big and fluffy on top. Next, draw the body with a chef coat and 2 buttons. Add arms holding a spoon and a safe kitchen knife. Don't forget the red neckerchief and the long cat tail. Our chef cat is ready to make something delicious. Look at your chef cat. He's ready to cook up some fun. Let's color the fur gray and the ears light pink. Make the chef coat white, the scarf red, and the hat light gray or white. Color the spoon brown and the knife red and gray. You can also draw a kitchen or a plate of food next to him. Your chef cat looks amazing and very talented. And now we're done. You just drew a little cooking cat. Great job, artist. Can you guess what we'll draw next? Hi, little artists. Today, we're going to draw a fun and silly character. A talking pillow with a bear face and tank legs. Grab your crayons or markers and let's get started. Start by drawing a big soft rectangle for the pillow body. Add 2 small ears on top. Now draw the face, 2 big eyes, a round nose, and a happy smile. Let's give it 2 arms, 1 waving hello. Now for the fun part, to tank tracks instead of legs. Make them wide and round with little wheels inside. Our pillow bear is ready to roll on any adventure. Look at your pillow bear. It's soft, brave, and ready to explore. Let's color the pillow light yellow or beige. Make the ears, nose, and mouth light brown. Color the arms cream and the tank legs green with black wheels. You can even draw a playground, a racetrack, or a bedroom battlefield. Your pillow bear looks super cool and full of personality. And now we're finished. You just drew a rolling pillow bear. Great job! Can you guess what we'll draw next? Hi, little artists. Today, we're going to draw a playful dolphin inside a school backpack. He's ready to learn and explore. Grab your crayons or markers and let's begin. Start with the dolphin's head, round with a big smile and a fin on top. Draw 1 eye and a small curved mouth. Now sketch the backpack around the dolphin. Make it big and square, with pockets and zippers. Let the dolphin's fins come out from the sides. Now draw 2 legs wearing sneakers at the bottom. You can also add shoulder straps behind the bag. Our dolphin is ready for school adventures. Look at your dolphin backpack. He's packed and ready for fun. Let's color the dolphin bright blue with a lighter belly. Make the backpack turquoise with yellow pockets. Color the shoes blue and yellow to match. You can also draw books, pencils, or even bubbles around him. Your dolphin looks amazing and super smart. And now we're finished. You just drew a school-ready dolphin. Great job, artist! Can you guess what we'll draw next? Hello, little artists. Today, we're going to draw a cozy winter bear holding a warm drink. He's cute, cuddly, and ready for snowy weather. Grab your crayons or markers and let's begin. Start with a round head and two small ears. Add big shiny eyes, a little nose, and a happy smile. Now draw the winter hat with a fluffy pom-pom on top. Add a scarf around the neck with stripes. Next, draw the body sitting down in a warm outfit. Now add to paws holding a cup of hot cocoa. Don't forget the feet and little paw pads. Our winter bear looks warm and cheerful. Look at your winter bear. He's ready to sip and smile all day. Let's color the bear white with light pink cheeks and paw pads. The hat and scarf can be red and white, just like holiday clothes. Make the outfit blue and the cup pink with a white heart. You can also add snowflakes or a snowy background. Your winter bear looks amazing and super cozy. And now we're done. You just drew a warm and happy bear. Great work! Can you guess what we'll draw next?